Hi, good day. My name is Akila and welcome to one of my tutorials. In this tutorial, we are going to join a client to a domain and create a user account. Okay, so I have my server 08 running along with my clients. I have Windows XP and Windows Vista. All right, so the first thing I want to do is isolate my machines. So I'll right click here on network adapters. And set my adapter to internal network, and I'll do the same thing for my other client. Okay, now what I want to do is set up static IP addresses. Okay, so I'll right click on network and sharing system, sharing center. I'll right click on this, properties. Internet protocol, properties, and I'll set a static IP address. Alright, so I have 192.168, and I'll put this machine at 02. Alright, and my default gateway would be the IP address of my server, which is 192.168.0.1. Alright, and I'll put the same IP address as my DNS server, 192. Alright, .168.0.1. Alright, and I'll click OK. I'll click close. Alright, just to confirm the my server, I'll go back here. I'll go into my server manager, and you will see the address of my my server, so you'll know where I pointed it back my client machine to. Look at here, 192.168.0.1. Okay, so I'm going to do that as well for my other client. All right, click here on Network and Sharing Center. And I'm going to click Manage Network Connections. I'm going to right click on this, Properties. Okay, and I'm going to uncheck TCP IPv6 because we're not going to be using that. I'm going to click on 4 and I'm going to set my static IP address here. 192.168.0. And I'll put this one at 3. And I'll set my default gateway again, the same IP address as my server. And the DNS as well. Alright, and I'll click OK. Yeah, I'm going to close off this. Close off all this. Okay, just to make sure my machines are communicating with one another, I want to do a command prompt. Alright, and I'm going to ping ping the server first. .168.0.1. Yes, my client is communicating with the server. I'll ping my other client 192.168.0.2. Alright, and it's communicating here. So I'll go to my other client, my XP machine, and see if it's communicating as well. One 192.168.0.1. Yes, and it's communicating. So machines are communicating. So what we're going to do now is join our client to the server. So we click on here, Start. Alright, click Computer, Properties. And we go to Computer Name, Change, and we type in the name of our domain. Click OK. And we type in a account that has permission. And whilst we wait here, we could do the same thing. Okay, it came up already. It's welcome us to our domain. So we click OK, we click OK. Alright, and it's saying that computer has to restart for the changes to take place. So we are going to restart the computer now.